Hi guys, Gary here. I've seen a couple of posts on the forums lately about camera adapters and how to attach the camera to the back of your scope. There's various different options. So you can buy some proper clamps which clamp screw into the end of your camcorder, and then they fit onto the end of your scope and screw them in. They go for around about 35, 50 quid, something like that. But there is a much cheaper way of doing things. So I thought I'd just do a quick run through and show you what I do for mine, and it might give you another option. Right guys, so what I've done, go to any camera shop. Most Sony cameras, the adapter is 26mm. So I've been and I've bought, you can just make it out, it's a 26 to 37 step up. Basically this end here screws into the end of the camcorder, and then you can buy another step up, which is this one, which is the 37mm to 46mm. And basically what we do, that screws into there, like so. This end here screws into your camcorder. Now what I've done with mine, I've got another adapter there. Now this one here is off the back of a scope cap from the MTC Viper, which is the scope I'm using there. So basically that one there I wish I was left-handed sometimes. You get the idea anyway. Oh, there we go. So that now screws into the back of me scopes, and then these threads here screws into the back of the camcorder, and we end up with this. Now, like I said before, the prices were running anywhere between 35 and 50 quid. For them two step ups, it cost me all of £8. Hell of a lot cheaper than the other option, but just as good. For those who don't have the MTC Viper and you don't need the inside threads here to screw into the scope, that 46mm will actually overlap the end of your scope like that. And all you do then is some black lecky tape it in so it's all nice and square. Works just as good. Definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching lads, cheers.